Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your profile on Upwork. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app and then go to your profile, which is at the top left corner. After that, click on your profile option, and then you can see that you can edit your profile. You can add other skills and certifications and employment history and so on. And if you want to change some information, you have to click on all these pencil icons, and then you have to click on the get started, and after that you can edit all the information that you previously have saved. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.